Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, today is very important because we can see a long list of events. You can see after some time we have news coming up for Euro and then we have news coming up for GBP. Then during the US session we have the PMI. So today is full of events, so market will be volatile. So my dear friends, tomorrow also during the US session there will be extra volatility because of the initial jobless claims, and by Friday we have the PCE. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all the 3 days are going to be volatile. And for Euro pairs, okay, today is also very important because of special news for Euro. So please be careful at the time of news if possible. Okay, try to just observe the market because personally I don't think so that today is ideal for any trading. And the reason is that see, when fundamentals dominate, as we all know, the technicals, the levels that we discussed do not work. As a retail trader, it is very essential for each and every one of us to know when to go with the fundamentals and when to go with the technicals. And when news influences the market, try to go with the flow, means follow the trend of the market. That is the only way to make money. Okay, now let's discuss about the chart of dollar. So dollar holds gains ahead of PMI data. Dollar index held a recent advance to around 104.5 on Wednesday, inching closer to two-week high as investors look forward to the latest US manufacturing and services activity data to assess the health of the economy. So dollar index is mostly waiting for the today's PMI, which is coming during the US session. And right now, technically, we can see that DXY is standing at the resistance. As we have already discussed in the previous videos also, the dollar index may be in downtrend, but right now we can see that dollar index is trying its best to go for a trend reversal. And to go for trend reversal, DXY needs to cross 104.60. So US session is really going to be very important. If the data helps DXY to climb above 104.60, then in the coming days we may see dollar index getting bullish again. If that happens, we will see pressure on the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD, because this is the chart of euro dollar in front of us, and as we can clearly see right now that euro USD is also standing at a critical level. DXY is standing at a critical resistance because to continue the upside it needs to cross 104.60, and here on the chart of euro USD we can see the pair is standing at critical support around 1.0850. It is trying to take support. Yesterday market came to support, market tried to bounce, okay, but sadly the bounce was not convincing enough because of the ongoing selling pressure. Okay, but market did not surrender. The buyers are still giving their best fight to survive above the level. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, so after news, if euro USD breaks 1.0840 level, then we can look for a sell below it. Before news, try to avoid any position because before news there is a high possibility of spikes in the market or price rejection from both the side. After the news, if you see the market is taking a particular direction, listen to me carefully. After the news, if you see the market is taking a particular direction or market is following a particular trend, just follow the trend of the market. Okay, or if euro USD falls below 1.0840, you can look for a sell below it. And on the other hand, if euro USD goes up, if you see that after news euro dollar is going up, but the bullishness is not very convincing enough, means the size of the candles are not big, the volume is not very high, in that case you can look for sell around the moving averages. They will be working as the dynamic resistance. As of now we can keep our eyes around 1.0882. okay, here we have the previous support acting as resistance. Along with that, we also have the 100 moving average coming down. So let's wait and watch. This area is going to be critical. After news, we will have to see where euro USD or DXY settles. If DXY settles comfortably above 104.60, then yes, pressure will remain on euro USD and you can hold your sell positions. And let's look at the chart of British pound US dollar. So on the chart of GBP USD, we had the important or critical level around 1.2900. So in our previous videos, we discussed that if GBP USD breaks 1.2900, we can look for a sell position. So my dear friend, if you're on a sell right now, you can continue with the sell position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market after news on GBP USD, if you see that GBP USD is under the selling pressure, sellers are dominating the market, you can look for a sell position below this level if the selling pressure is high after news. Okay. Before news, try to avoid sell at breakdown, because to break any level, whether it is support or resistance or any market of the world, to break any level, volume is important. And right now, okay, volume can be a little bit tricky. And after this is Forex, volume is little bit suspicious or mysterious. I was mysteries. On the other hand, okay, on the other hand, if we see GBP USD going up, then we can look for a sell around 1.2925. This can be our selling opportunity on the chart of GBP USD after news. Before the US session, if GBP USD goes up and if the volume is not very high, this can be the level where we can look for a sell, because this is the level where the previous support will be working as resistance, and along with that we can see there will be some dynamic resistance from the 100 moving average as well. So we can look for a sell around this area after news if market reverses. Now it's better for us to wait for the news and wait. And if you look at the economic calendar, then there is a possibility that before the US session, market may be volatile only for 1 to 2 hours only. So market may not be volatile for the next 5 to 6 hours. That we see usually in case of the US dollar news. Okay, we may just get to see volatility for 1 hour, 2 hours. That's it. Okay, but PMI may be crazy. Sadly, nothing much to discuss right now, because we need to wait for the news right now. That's all, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. If you're a lover of Euro USD, GBP USD, I have a small suggestion that, okay, Euro USD, GBP USD, maybe they are the most popular currency pairs around the world, but right now they are not the ideal pairs. Okay, if making money is your main target, then you should have more options on your watch list. My watch list is too long. I'm not saying that you should have a watch list like me, but at least you should have 6 to 7 options, because when a particular pair is not in the right spot or um, yeah, right spot, okay, then you should look for trading opportunities on other places, because we should be loyal towards making money, not towards any particular pair.